Here's our new carbon filter, and we are going to replace the old carbon filter from this GE microwave. You'll see here, you press down and it pops open. You press this one down. See here? So you press this one down, pops open this side, press this one down. You just press and it pops down. You see the filter? Here's our new filter. Here's the old filter. So let's remember how this is in there. Let's carefully pull it out and put it up here, out of the way. Just remember how it goes. Grates towards you. I'm gonna put it in. You see it? Okay, see how this is going in? Just slides in and then down. And there you have it. That's all you have to do. No screws to pop, just little buttons. We'll pop this back in. And that's all you have to do. And if your reset filter light is red, you just hold this down for 3 seconds and then it goes away and then you're good. So there's a carbon filter up here, has to be replaced. I'd say once every 6 months. You can clean this filter under here, you know, as needed. But this carbon filter up here should be replaced once every 6 months for a, you know, above stove type microwave as we have here. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.
My Deal Stash.